Hello everyone, I Assistant Professor Pragati Shetty from Department of Microbiology. In the last online lecture, we have started the study of rhabdovirus, that is the rabies virus, right? In this online lecture, we will study the next part. We have reached till the structure, then the resistant properties and the antigenic properties, right? In the antigens, we have saw the glycoprotein, then we have saw the nucleoprotein, and we have discussed the each subtype, each antigens under this each glycoprotein and the nucleoprotein, right? With the other proteins such as the RNA dependent RNA polymerase, right? And the glycolipid, right? Now in this online lecture we will study the host range. Okay, so what is the host range and the cultivation? It is the range of the host that can take up these viruses. That means which all things or which all living beings can be the living things can be the host for this virus, right? So now we have different types of this virus. Okay, first is the host can be the animals. Okay, now most of the mammals are susceptible to the rabies infection. Okay, now which animals are can take up this rabies virus? As I mentioned, most of these are susceptible, so the most of the animals will get this virus. All right, now that can be the raccoons, then the skunks, then the foxes, bats, now dogs, cats, cattle, ferrets, and the humans too. The humans are also the natural host of this virus. Okay, now the main property of this host are the, see, the animals which contains the hairs and mammary gland that produces the milk for their babies. Okay, these animals can be the host for this virus, and therefore the animals such as the frogs, then birds, snakes, they do not get the rabies. Okay, because this will not come under the mentioned above criteria, right? And therefore the rabies virus can infect almost all the mammals. Okay, then we have two types of the viruses, okay, depending on the infection. Now first is the fixed virus and the street virus. The fixed virus, what is a fixed virus? The one whose virulence and incubation period have been stabilized by serial passage and remain fixed during further transmission. Okay, see, this fixed virus, this virus has been occurred or has been obtained in the laboratories. Okay, with the serially passage means what? The subcultures, right? If we subculture a pathogen or a bacteria, then we can call it the passage. The method is called as the passagement. Okay, then the fixed virus is the one which is getting passaged, okay, serially, and therefore had been stabilized, right? If we serially subcultured or serially inoculate again and again that virus, then it will get stabilized, okay, and therefore remain fixed during further transmission. Now the rabies virus that has undergone this serial passage through rabbits, therefore stabilizing its virulence and incubation period, and called as the fixed virus. See, its stability is getting fixed, therefore it is calling as the fixed virus. Okay, the fixed virus is more neutrophobic, okay, and it is less infective. Why it is less infective? Because the activity is getting stabilized, right? See, for example, if we subculture the culture of the E. coli, which is pathogenic, okay, pathogenic E. coli strain, if we subculture it again and again after 2 to 3 days, okay, then what will happen? Its pathogenicity will reduce down. and the stage will come at where its activity is getting stabilized. That means after that it is no more pathogenic, okay, or its pathogenicity will not increase further. Why? Because we have subcultured it again and again, we have passaged it. And similar way, this virus, okay, from an infected animal, that virus is getting passaged serially, okay, again and again, and therefore its activity is getting stabilized, and that is why it is less infective, okay, and it is more neutroptrophic. Although after the intracerebral inoculation, it can produce the fatal encephalitis after the short and fixed incubation period of the 6 to 7 days. Okay, what is the incubation period of this fixed virus? Is 6 to 7 days. Okay, and this virus, if we inoculate or if we inject this virus in intracerebral way, that is inside the cerebrum of the animal, then it can cause the fatal encephalitis. Encephalitis means what? Inflammation of the brain. Okay, then that can caused by this fixed virus, and in the incubation period of this virus is 6 to 7 days. Alright, now this fixed virus can be used for the vaccine production. Why this can be used? Because it is getting stabilized, activity is getting stabilized, so it is no more pathogenic, right? So we can use this virus for the vaccine production, right? Then we will come to the second virus, that is the street virus. Now what is the street virus? These are the viruses from the naturally infected animal, okay, as opposed to the laboratory adapted strain of the virus. This is the complete opposite of the fixed virus. In case of the fixed virus, we are obtaining it from the laboratory methods, right? And in case of the street virus, it is naturally present. If it means if the dog is getting infected with this virus, and if we isolate that virus from the dog, then it can be called as the street virus. Okay, then the virulent rabies virus from a rabid domestic animal. Rabid animals means what? The animals which are infected with this rabies, okay, the rabid domestic animal that has contracted the disease from the bite or the scratch of the another animal, and called as the street virus. Therefore it is calling as the street viruses. Okay, then this virus, if we inoculate or if we inject this virus by any route, okay, intracerebral, intravenous, by any route, it can cause the fatal encephalitis. Okay, and the incubation period for this virus is 1 to 12 weeks, right? See, the street virus is one which is running in the incubation period, okay, which means just as soon as the infection is getting inside or the virus is getting inside, we have obtained that virus, and that is called as the street virus. In this, there is nothing, laboratory methods are included in the street virus, okay, that is naturally occurring from the infected animal. If an infected dog bites or scratches to the other animal which was healthy previously, but now due to that scratch or bite it is getting infected, and we have isolated that virus from that animal, so that can be the street virus. The incubation period for this virus is the 1 to 12 weeks. Alright, and it can, if we inject this virus by any of the routes, it can cause definitely the fatal encephalitis. Whereas in the case of the fixed virus, if we inject that fixed virus by only intracerebral way, it can cause the fatal encephalitis. Alright, and the incubation period for the fixed virus was the 6 to 7 days. Okay, the incubation period differs, then the laboratory point will differ in both. Okay, and the stability, right, the activity is stabilized in case of the fixed, whereas in the street the activity is not getting stabilized. Okay, then